Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you clear your chats on your Instagram. So without further ado, let's get right into it guys. So if you want to go ahead and do this guys, so all you need to do is go ahead and go to your profile here in the upper right corner. Go to the three dots here and go over to settings and privacy. So until you can see account type and tools, so switch to professional account, continue there. So you just have to um, search or pick a random one there, so it doesn't really matter. So there doesn't really matter guys. So all you need to do here is set this up, but you can do so here. So for this to work guys, you need to go over to the um, here, and all you need to do here is press and hold this one, like that, and you have to go ahead and move it to general. As you can see, it will be on general here. And for this to work guys, you need to switch over back to the normal account. So do the same process again. And you just have to um, go ahead and redo the same steps that we've done earlier guys. So you just have to find the account here. So switch account type, switch to personal account, and there, as you can see, it's now here, and as you can see here, it will hide now the message that you want to hide. So okay guys, if you want to redo this, you just have to redo the same steps that we've done. Okay guys, so that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.